Oh, Ivany, we hear that you're having trouble logging into your Instagram. Log in with this, whatever. Email pop up. Are you trying to log in with some number? Tell me if you click. Is it on 3 or yes, it's me? Me used to them something of them. I'm not hype. I'm not hype about my past. I'm not hype about something we used to do. But, you ever hear Ivany try to text somebody page and she never get it?
Me know Mackerel because me and her did one ads one long time. Long time. So comes me know she. So my text, me know say the whole three we know each other. Cause he used to work on Mackerel, he come with me. So he must have the two our link. So me link it down, me say you can tell Mackerel say, I link up with her for some lash whatever. Him say alright, I'm gonna send me her number. Him send me her number. Me call, one man answer. Me say hello, me can speak to Mackerel. Him hang up the phone. Anyway, I say no, make it. Let's make it cool off a little bit. Probably Mackerel gone and left her phone. But just give a little time for things that if she come back to ring her back now. Ring it back now. Hello. So I say, Mackerel, I owe this. Who the dog? By the time I forgot to say what I say, who the dog about this blood platform? Hope she hang it. I call it back, she should block it. But I call it back, it goes straight to voice mail. So I say, no sir. So then, kid up woman now text me and I say, you did tell Mackerel some more link her because she just hang up the phone and she go on the most way. Kid say yes indeed inform her that but she only seen the message. Anyways, I say, you know what? I can't deal with this madness there. So I block her from my phone, block her number from if she decides to call me back or whatever. Go up on WhatsApp and block it off from my WhatsApp and everything, block it. I say I can't take this madness there. I just never block her on Instagram. Anyways, little bit after, one man called me. When I answer, I swear to God, I don't remember what the man name, but one night here, Mackerel and him did the pan live. I don't know if him did manage Mackerel or whatever. Him call me and he must say, yes, I'm calling behalf of Mackerel. Mackerel saying this number keep on calling her. And she don't know who it is. So I start introduce myself and make him know say I am Ivany and I have the message too. But also make him know say boss lady want link up with some lashes, session model and promote and whatever. Him say well all bookings go through him. I said no problem. What I'm going to do is send you boss lady number and send her fee number so the two of you can talk. Me only responsible to get the girls a minute in a day. We don't know what kind of arrangement we are gonna make. It's just that boss lady don't know what and she probably know them, but she and them and a friend could just go text them. So because I know them, it's better for me look the girls them and then she and them discuss how payments go and how promo go and whatever. You understand? Anyways, the man, me at the phone and I talk to the man about the same lash and I tell him I'm text her and whatever. Exchange numbers. Up to today, I don't know if the two of them link. I never text Vasia and ask her nothing about if the conversation. Never need to go text back the man, them never need to go unblock Mackerel and call her for shaking up phone and me again. So I just done with it. I only do my promo, them like post up lashes with me and repost stuff off a bossy page. Anyways, now after all of that gone, Mackerel go on into her madness. I don't know if Bossy and the man link up as I say I never asked about it now. That done, fresh page now. Competition I go on. Long time here about a competition and I just never in the mood for joining because I did a whole competition already. Anyways, you know it come down, my other competition, then I finish, so I say I go join that one. My page gone, but still say I go enter. Enter the competition. I enter the competition now. Today at the day, you know, somebody send me the live some Mackerel, a class me. When I go up on the live, I lucky enough for catch her. I'll show you one clip of it. Hold on.
I feel winning. I try out page. I feel winning. I try out page. Well, people.
So, I actually go up on her page and here she say, So about fear winning. So from I go join the competition, Mackerel fix. Or probably too, she see me I almost catch her up now, she fix. So she start class about fake winnings and who come in a competition and who a bully who. She starts say from me join the competition, I be a code that come to her phone. She tell the people them say back then when me did a call her about lash, I be a code used to come to her phone and she never send nothing. And what else she say? She say me call her if I get code for. So Mackerel, if me call you and you know say me a call for accurate page back then, why you know you just come cuss me about them? Why you never did cuss back then? Why you never cuss back then? Why you know you want cuss? I become enter the competition and then now today now when she has to be a code come in her phone and I me a send them and she a class me she see her yeah them knock up, so me should did ask her about the lash. Mackerel are true. I could never did want you to wear the lash to me yeah and knock up. But you see cause you little and face me I go win the competition, so you know I got the money for fix and knock up yeah them. So then now me dep on Instagram and
She said everybody will join Instagram, get them there. All if you have 1,000 followers, you have to get that in your Gmail. Somebody are gonna try know where your number. Somebody are gonna try know why your email. I don't know why they do it. Because me don't know why them said that is hacking. That not call hacking. That just call for spy for see what they put on somebody page. Me get that every day in my DM. In my Gmail. Every single day. Oh, Ivany, we hear that you're having trouble logging into your Instagram. Log in with this, whatever. Email pop up. Are you trying to log in with some number? Tell me if you click. Is it on 3? Or yes, it's me. Me used to them something of them. Me not hype. Me not hype but me pass. And me not hype but something what me used to do. But, you ever hear say, I want to try to text somebody page and she never get it? Thank you, but I'm not ready for it yet. I'm not ready for it yet. Yeah. Thanks. Alright, let me block this. Stun, I'm soon add you. Let me block this person. So when me I say, ever hear say me I try for hack somebody page and never hack it? Mackerel, if me hack your page, me that bingo. I have them a wonder for me hack it or not for me hack it. Me not have time. Me not have time to try hack a page and not get it. Then the time then my time for waste.